Hey everybody, it's me, Mr. Oliva, and I am once again out here in the wilderness, and I'm on a forest road near White Pass, enjoying all this new snow. It's cold, but we got warm clothes, and let's see, of course, I always got my hot cocoa, and I got my snowshoes. I don't know if you can see those, and yes, I'm enjoying things. It's really pretty out here. Anyway, yeah, I'm out here, and of course, as always, I have a good book with me. And this book is called Dear Justice, and it is by Nick Stone. It's actually a sequel. Nick Stone, she wrote a book a couple years ago called Dear Martin, about a boy named Justice who wrote some fictional letters to Martin Luther King. Justice is a young black man who was really struggling with things and wrote to Martin Luther King thinking, what would Martin Luther King do in these situations? And so some readers enjoyed that book and they wrote, hey, to Nick Stone and said, hey, why don't you write a book where maybe things don't go so well for the person, the main character, and maybe it's not the happiest of endings. And so Nick Stone wrote Dear Justice. So it's about a boy named Quan who right now at least is in jail and he's writing letters to justice. And I think they're talking about issues of race and about fairness and equality and responsibility and decisions. I'm only a little ways in, but I'm really enjoying it. Nick Stone is such a fantastic writer. So yeah, so kind of in honor of Black History Month, I thought I'd recommend this book, Dear Justice. It's realistic fiction, young adult fiction, and it's just a fantastic book. So if you get a chance, I have a couple copies of Dear Martin in my classroom that you can borrow, and if you like those, we'll buy a copy of this for our class. All right. Hey, the sun's starting to peek out, so all right, I will talk to you later. All right. Hashtag YOLO.